Morning, y'all. We are headed to breakfast. So this is gonna be our first Hebert house vlog that we're gonna do in the series. We're gonna head to breakfast with my cousin who is in town, and then I just got some cleaning and day-to-day stuff for this Saturday, and I thought you might want to go along with me to clean and just get ready for another week. So we'll be doing that, and we're gonna go to breakfast. There's Nanny back there. Hey, Nanny. There's the hub, and then Bobby's way back in the back somewhere. Oh, he's hiding. And there's Hub. Alright, so we are done with breakfast. We went to Rooted Coffee House, which is a coffee house in our area, and it's so good. And now, oh, you saw that clip. That is the cutest little lemonade stand I've ever seen. And if you're local to the Evans Augusta area, that is at the AR Workshop in Riverwood for the entire month of June, every Saturday morning. And they're raising money for Alex's Lemonade Stand, which is which raises money for childhood cancer. So make sure you go and get your lemonade from there on Saturday mornings and help them, because they are just so cute. All right, so now we're gonna head. I gotta go to the Dollar Tree to pick up a couple things, and then it's home to clean. Nanny says that you're not supposed to clean on Sunday because it's the day of rest, so I'm gonna try to get as much as I can get done today. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, maybe for a little bit of the Dollar Tree, but I only have to get a couple of things. So maybe I'll just kind of show you guys what I've got, what I get. Alright, so I just got Hobson down for a nap, and I figured I would show you what I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I actually ended up getting a lot more stuff than I thought I was going to, because I went to a different one than the one next to our house, and it had a lot of the stuff I've been looking for. So I picked up a couple of things and a couple of staples that I like to keep, so I figure I would show you real quick what I got. All right, I'm gonna hold the camera, so hopefully it's not too shaky. The first thing I got was this strainer. I don't know if you follow Miss Hinch. She's on Instagram and she cleans, but she uses this with baking soda, which I forgot to pick up, and puts it all over her mattress and then vacuums it up, and it's supposed to like pull out odors and things like that. So I thought that I would put that into my bedroom cleaning like list. So I picked up one of those. I picked up some of these because I wanted to make Everett a new arrangement to go at his graveside. So I picked up some of those. I got one of these. She also uses this like in her showers. So I picked up one of those to try that. Oh, that's my wallet. All right, so next are these cards. These are my favorite thank you cards. They're just so cute and so Southern. It says, bless your heart for being so nice. So when I see them at the Dollar Tree, I pick them up. Every Monday I write thank you cards for people, and so I love having these on hand. This is a towel, or not a towel, a napkin holder, and I'm gonna spray paint it black and use it in our kitchen, because I always feel like our napkins are just placed around and in my dishes, and so I want somewhere to actually put them. So I'll show you guys in another video how that turned out. I got some Father's Day cards here. Oh, I picked this up. I thought this was cool. It's a magazine. It says Southern Kitchen Spring Cookbook and Entertaining Guide. So I thought that was fun. I'm gonna check that out. Yeah, I'm a suckler for magazines. And then I picked up these bins. They say that they're dish pans, but I'm gonna make them into cleaning baskets for my cleaning cabinet, and I'm gonna label each one like bathroom, house, whatever. So I'm gonna pick those up and organize with those. Right, let's get to the bag. All right, so I know I picked up a bunch of these. These I love to give when I cook dinner for families. In the South, taking food is like our love language. So if you have a baby or someone dies or you're sick, you get a meal. And I always like to pack these with like napkins and silverware so that the people I'm taking the meal to don't have to wash dishes. So I was out of those. So I picked up like 5 packs because these are with their summer stuff, so they don't keep them out year round. So I got that. I got, oh, shower caps. These are, oh, let me see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, these are not for use in the shower. I like to keep these in our suitcase to put our shoes in when we travel, and actually just collect them from hotels, but the one I had in our suitcase tore the last time we traveled, so I picked up some like heavy duty ones to keep in our suitcases. Let's see here, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Oh, I picked up some batteries. I like to keep their batteries on hand. And I should keep them in a container in our laundry room. I picked up these. I want to use these where we have our baggies. I bought bulk boxes of baggies, like lunch baggies, and I want to put these in that drawer to carry to put the different sizes in without having to have the big boxes in there, if that makes sense. Okay, so I got some combs. Bobby lost his comb, so I just got a 6-pack. That way he has like one he can keep in the bag that he takes to his dad's, one in his bedroom, one wherever he needs it. Oh, these disposable placemats. I love these. And obviously Hobson's not eating yet, but I loved these when I had them for Bobby when he was younger. So I went ahead and grabbed some of these, and I thought that they would come in handy down the road. Oh. So loofahs, I throw these out once a month. I only use them for about a month, and then I throw it out and get a new one. So they have these 4 packs at the Dollar Tree right now. So I picked those up. And what else? Oh, cleaning wipes. So these are great for the dude to keep on him because his glasses are always dirty, like literally always dirty. So that's what I got. A little Dollar Tree haul. Just that's a couple things I picked up today from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to show you guys this too. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree earlier this week because I needed a little rug here because this is where Birch goes in and out to go to the bathroom, and so I thought having a rug here would be good. So I picked this up from the Dollar Tree too, and I thought it was super cute. Like, I really love it. I should have picked up another one. I might go back and get another one. So I have to tell you guys something sad. I'm officially putting this away with the baby stuff because Hob doesn't fit in the sink and in it anymore. He's too big. He's had to graduate to a big boy tub, and I'm pretty sad because this little thing is just the sweetest, and we love bathing him in the sink. They grow up too fast. I'm gonna cry, so I'm gonna go ahead and cancel or take this off of me.
Say thank you, Aunt Shell, for coming to hold me so my mama can get some stuff done. Say sir. Say sir. Such a sweet pony.
Okay, so I showed you the dividers that I got for the drawer for my Ziploc baggies, and I figured I'd go ahead and organize that during this day in the life because I want to get it done because it's driving me crazy. They're just all over the drawer, and I figured I'd show you guys the organization too. So here's that drawer done. I have snack size baggies, sandwich size baggies, plastic gloves. I have to use these when I'm dealing with chicken because it grosses me out to touch it. Extra toothpicks, which by the way, why do I have so many toothpicks? I love a good charcuterie board, so I'm assuming that's probably the only reason I have that many. Toothpicks, more toothpicks, saran wrap, aluminum foil, and then these are larger bags, quart and gallon size. So I like how it turned out. Makes my heart happy to have an organized drawer.
Talk to Mama. Tell Mama. What's he been doing today? What you been doing? Are you the sweetest Bowie?
I know, that's the point.
You guys gotta have like a grilled cheese, I'm scared.
I don't know, Chef Bobby to the rescue.
I prefer a kid named Elijah. He's a better cook, I'll tell you that. He was on a cooking show.
Oh, on MasterChef Junior?
Yeah.
Looking
And
good, dude.
He's like 4 years younger than you.
It's been a long day. I've been cleaning all day. Kevin has been getting one of our townhouses ready to be rented out. And so he's been working all day, and now we're supposed to go have dinner with my cousin, and we're beat. Like, we're just so tired. If this was any other day, we would have ordered DoorDash and put on pajamas and crashed by now. But we told her we would go out to eat, so we're doing that. It is pouring rain, so that should be interesting on how we're gonna get in and out of the restaurant. But all in all, I'm ready to go eat. I'm starving, so we're going to a local burger place, and of course with like our detox that we're doing, I've got to be creative on what I eat. So I'll show you guys what I end up getting and how I navigated the menu. So wish me luck. Oh my gosh. What a day. Like, I cleaned all day and did stuff around the house. Kevin worked on the townhouse all day and we were both like pooped. So I think we're going to watch the live PD and then get ready for bed. Tomorrow's Sunday, so we have church and family time and all of that stuff. So, I hope you enjoyed this day in the life. I don't do these a lot, but if you do like them, let us know down below. And if you're new to our channel, make sure you
subscribe
and give this video a thumbs up. And we're glad that you're here, and we'll see you next Saturday for another Hebert House vlog, even though this one's going up on a Sunday. Gotta have grace. Gotta have grace. So, Hobbs over there in the halo. He's chilling while we get ready for bed. Anything else?
No, just exhausted. Can't even think. So
Good night.
Good night.